Deep in the forests of Congo, there is a bird that almost no one ever sees. The Grey-necked Rockfowl is incredibly elusive, and in this part of Africa, it was long considered a ghost. So I was given a point on the map of where they had recently been recorded by the research team here, and I'm heading in to try and capture the first high-quality footage of them in this national park. From the coastal city of Pointe-Noire, we drive north for several hours along the Atlantic until we reach Conkouati-Douli, a protected area managed by Congo wildlife authorities and conservation NGO NOI.
Oublions ceux qui nous divisent, soyons plus unis que jamais. Vivons pour.
Every Monday morning, the week begins like this, a tradition shared across protected areas in Central Africa.
Vivons pour notre devise, unité, travail, progrès.
We were supposed to head straight into the forest, but the weather has other plans. As the rain eases, we take the Congo River. Our goal is the location where head of research Yorick van Hoef conducted the survey that revealed the presence of the rockfowl, deep in the rainforest. We got caught in heavy rain on the boat on the way here to the campsite. It was pretty hectic when we arrived, but now it's kind of stopping and it's time to set up camp. Let's get to work. From here, we head into the forest. Évrard is part of the research team. He knows the area well, and he knows the exact site where the trail cameras recorded the bird. So we've been walking along this rock wall here. It's a rough terrain. It's really not easy, and it's very humid. So we're trying to find spots that could be good for the rockfowl, and we have a termite mound here with the evidence of the presence of the rockfowl. So we're gonna try to find a spot, not too far, not too close, where we can just sit and wait, and hopefully it'll show up. I'm not sure what the odds are, but we have to try. After 30 minutes of waiting, the ghost of the forest reveals itself.
écartent. Ils s'écartent. Ça, je m'y attendais pas. C'est lui qui il m'a embrayé par son dos. Quand il a tourné sa tête, je me suis rassuré pour sa tête.
Non, j'y crois pas.
Non, moi je crois que c'est
This is a notoriously elusive bird, found in scattered populations across the rainforests of Central Africa. It's closely tied to hidden rock formations like this. In the Congo, it has only rarely been recorded, but these mud nests on the cliff face are the smoking gun. This isn't just a place they visit, as recently discovered by the team here. These structures provide the first documented evidence of a nesting site in a protected area in this country.
Je crois pas qu'il y aura un oiseau qui est plus rare qu'un épicatarte.
Donc c'est rare. C'est rare de le voir.
C'est très rare. C'est très rare. Et pourquoi je dis c'est très rare? Et que si nos grands-pères vivaient encore, et que nous, on leur posait encore la question, vous connaissez l'oiseau qu'on appelle l'épicatarte? Ils vont dire non, on n'a jamais vu cet oiseau. C'est très rare. Mon père fut un ancien éco-garde. S'il n'était pas mort, il devait avoir 66 ans. Il n'a jamais vu l'oiseau épicatarte. Et tant que conservateur, il était éco-garde. Mais moi, son fils, Noé, m'a recruté. Précisément, je travaille dans le parc et que j'ai eu la chance de voir épicatarte. Vraiment, je suis très content.
It's the best feeling when you go and try to photograph an animal and you know the odds are pretty low because it's an elusive species and you don't have a lot of time and it works. So it's amazing. What a day, what an assignment, what a team here. Tomorrow we're going to go to the exact same location and we're going to try again. And even if we don't see them tomorrow, we have already seen them. We have footage. Amazing, amazing, amazing.
C'est ça, je sais qu'il est toujours un peu mutuel, il a les froides déjà. Mais il fait encore la chasse, mais est-ce que c'est la première? Non, mais on ne sait pas si. J'arrive, continue.
The next morning, we go back. Same place, same hope.
This is not the most comfortable position, but it worked yesterday, so it should work today. There's one right there, and they go from there to the wall, and then back again.
What a special day in the forest. Once again, we spent the whole afternoon with the rockfowls. We were quite close and we observed them all day. And they're quite observant too. They knew we were here, of course, and they were looking at us from time to time, and they were also looking around looking for insects. And when they did see insects, they would just go for them. It was really cool to see. And now it's time to head back to camp because it's going to be dark and we can't be in the forest after dark because of the elephants. So, let's go. Conkouati, you're amazing. was an amazing assignment. I had so much fun with the guys in the forest, and I saw amazing animals. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you like this content, and I'll see you soon.